welcome. If you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Friencine. This channel, I discuss personal finances. If you are interested in this topic, so basically if you are trying to get in your own debt-free journey, if you're on your own debt-free journey, if you just are interested in seeing other people's debt-free journey, this is the channel for you. And join me on my financial freedom, financial literacy journey. This video I will be discussing the savings challenge that I will be doing in 2020. 2020 is around the corner, and I will be doing multiple saving challenges. This year is a fresh start. It's all about seeing the vision through 2020 lens. I know, cheesy, whatever, but it's true. One of the saving challenge that I will be doing is the nickel challenge. This challenge was brought to my attention by one of the YouTubers that I watch, which is Triple M Craft. Everything that I talk about on this video will be linked down below. She talked about this challenge because she did it in 2019, and I thought it was cool. So basically, you are saving 5 cents in intervals of 5. The first day you save 5 cents. The second day you save 10 cents. The third day you save 15 cents, and so on and so forth. So this YouTuber that I watched, she broke it down into months. So how much are you saving this month? How much are you saving next month? How much are you saving the month after? Because honey, we be forgetting to put our quarters and nickels and dimes in the savings. So I will be following it that way. I will not be doing it every day as the initial savings challenge requires you to do, but you know what? I'm still saving, so it doesn't really matter. So I will be doing it like she has laid out. I will put a screenshot of the video, and she put it on a spreadsheet, and she did the nickel, the penny, the dime challenge, all of that. I will be saving this money in my handy dandy wine bottle. So I took the label out of the bottle, out of the bottle, wow. I took the label off the bottle, created my own label, so it says 2020 savings. Then in the back, it says savings, and it tells you how much, let's zoom in. And it tells you how much you are saving. So the first month you're saving $23.25. The second month you're doing $65.25, and so on and so forth. And then the goal, at the end you'll have, I don't know if you can see that. Well, it says $3,339.75. So yes, so this is where I will be saving my nickel challenge, in this wine bottle. Also, I am also considering doing the $5 challenge, but in a different style. I will be doing the $5 challenge in and out of the, how do I explain it? So I will be doing every $5 I touch, or B, save at $5 a paycheck. Comment down below which one I should be doing, A or B, because I don't know yet. That would also be added into the jar that I just showed you, the wine bottle. I will keep track. I'll have a tracker, and I'll keep track how many $5 I put in it, so that even though it's in there, I don't have to wait to break it to know how much money I saved. I'll be able to see it. The last challenge that I will be doing is the 12-month saving challenge that is created by the Budget Mom here on YouTube. She gives 2 different challenges for each month. So that one is for the cash-based budgeters like myself, and another for non-cash budgeters, because not everyone carries cash. And you have to acknowledge that when you do certain savings challenges, because a lot of savings challenges cater to the people that carry cash, because you can't do the $5 challenge if you don't really carry cash, so it's not beneficial to you. So she does 2 separate. Right now, the challenge course is $20. I purchased it $20 off of her website. It gave you all the materials, all the instructions, any plus or bonuses that you need to do this. It's in there. Each month is a different challenge, so a total of 24 challenges is given in this deal, which is not bad. 24 for $20, not bad at all. But for the sake of not messing up another person's hustle, I will be only giving and only showing the challenge that is happening in the current month or the next month, in a sense. So I have everything in a binder. This used to be my old portfolio binder, but I am using it for this challenge. My art portfolio for my art class, reuse, reduce, recycle. So hold on, you don't need to see my transcript. let me turn that around. Okay, so basically she gives you a tracker so you can track how much money you save. So you can track how much money you save per month, and then at the end you'll say, I was able to save this amount. She also gives you a certificate to say, you know, I did this. Yeah, this is the certificate. So she also gives you a certificate. I mean, just to reward yourself, I guess. And then each month comes with a cash envelope. So I already printed, laminated them, because I do sell my own cash envelopes. So I have a laminator. So that came in handy. So yeah, let me show you what it's looking like. So I'm just gonna show you one. One at a time. So this is January. This is the month that I will be showing you right now in this video. January. Put that aside. This is February. Let's zoom in a little bit. February. This is March. This is April. Oh, December, wow. Whoa. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So that is all the envelopes that is given in the package. Oh, they also have a Christmas one. I'm not gonna get up to look for the Christmas one, but it looks like, so this is the Christmas envelope that she provided for the non-cash budgeters. So let me put this back. Okay, so this is January. And then this right here is, so this is the challenge for January. So you can join me on this challenge. That's why I'm trying to get this up before January hits. Let's see how that happens. But yes, I would really encourage you guys to join me on this challenge. So it's the Jolly Cash Envelope Challenge. So basically with this challenge, she gives you a guide of how much every letter is worth. So you pick a 5-letter word because there's 5 weeks in, you know, January, and each letter represents the amount of money you will save for that week. So my word was elves because it's, you know, Christmassy. I'm still in the Christmas spirit. And elves, you know, ELVES. So the first week I would save $5. L, the next week I would save $12. V, I would save $22. Back to E, that week after I'll save 5. S, right here. Then that week I'll save $19. So this is basically how it goes. On her example, she used Jolly, JOLLY, and the not 10, she would do 10, 15, 22, 10, 15, 12, 12, 25. So with my example, which the one I will be doing, elves, I will be saving a total of $63. So what I did here is on the flap, I wrote elves, how much I will be saving per week, and then when I'm done, I'll slash it off, maybe even write it over here every time I put money towards it. So I'm really excited. The goal of this is all of the savings challenge is pulling from your cash envelopes. It's not coming from your sinking fund. If you would like for it to come from your paycheck, you can, but it's not supposed to. It's basically supposed to challenge you and see where you can pull money from and save money from places that you didn't expect to save money from. Then the second version of this, okay, so the second version of this challenge is preparing for Christmas. So it says the saving challenge is all about preparing for Christmas. There's no better time to start saving for Christmas in 2020 than now. Here's how the challenge works. Look at your past spending from last Christmas, which is this month. How much did you spend? Use that as an estimate to come up with your Christmas goals in 2020. Write down the amount you want to save. Take that goal amount and divide by the number of months you have to save. I will be using 11 months because I would like to have my cash saved by November. Set that money aside into your Christmas cash saving envelope every month or every paycheck. Once again, I said that she provides you with everything you need. So these are for the non-cash budgeters, but you can use this for cash budgeters as well. I actually filled this out for myself for the next year. So you basically go total budget. There are blank months until Christmas. I must save blank each month to reach my goal. You have decorations, which people don't really think about. Buying decorations, Christmas food if you do Christmas dinner, giving if you want to give to charity, Christmas cards, travel, other expenses like going ice skating for Christmas, seeing the Christmas lights for Christmas. That's other expenses that you have to take into consideration. Then the next sheet is a gift budget. So you have your family, you have your friends, you have your acquaintance, just in case if you know you're cool with your coworkers, you can get them something for Christmas. So you would write who, what, the price, and are you wrapping it? Like when you're done by Christmas, you'd be like, okay, I wrapped this, I wrapped that, I got that, da-da-da. You could check it off. And then at the end, you write total family budget, total friend budget, total acquaintances budget, and then the total budget up here. Then the last page is Christmas cards list. So if you do want to send Christmas cards to people, this is the list where you have their name, address, mail or in person, and you just do that. So that is basically it for this video. I will be giving you each month's challenge throughout the year. And I will be showing you every week when I put in the money for each challenge, and you'll be there with me. If you would like to participate in this challenge, comment down below if you're doing the budget or the non-budget one, or if you're doing the nickel challenge. Whichever challenge that I have talked about that you want to pick up on, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, obviously. But yeah, so I will see you in the next video, and don't forget, I will be showing February's challenge the last week of January.